If you're still awake and wrestling with insomnia, try these 8 science-backed tactics to actually fall asleep tonight. Technique 1. Pink noise. Everyone knows white noise, that static TV snow kind of sound. Newer research shows pink noise can be better for deep sleep. Pink noise emphasizes lower frequencies. Think rain on leaves or the steady whoosh of ocean waves. Those sounds help sync your brainwaves with deep sleep rhythms. Tonight, instead of total silence or a fan, play a pink noise playlist.
Technique 2. A weighted blanket. Have you noticed how calm you feel when someone hugs you tight? That's called deep pressure stimulation. A weighted blanket, about 10% of your body weight, simulates that same gentle pressure. It boosts serotonin, the feel-good hormone, and lowers cortisol, the stress hormone. It's not just a blanket, it's a therapeutic hug for your nervous system. Technique 3. The 4-7-8 breath, a nervous system off switch. When you're stressed, sleep feels impossible. The 4-7-8 breathing pattern acts like a natural sedative. Inhale for 4 seconds, hold for 7 seconds, exhale for 8 seconds with a soft, audible exhale. This slows your heart rate and sends a "you're safe" signal to your brain. Do it 3 to 4 times and your body will start to power down. Technique 4. Cognitive shuffling. Don't count sheep. Counting is logical and wakes your thinking brain up. Try cognitive shuffling instead. Pick a letter, say B. Imagine words that start with that letter: balloon, bicycle, blueberry, and hold each image for about 5 seconds. When you run out of words, pick the next letter. This activates the brain's visual imagery system and quiets the analytic mind, the exact state your brain naturally shifts into before sleep. Technique 5. Magnesium, the underrated mineral. Many of us are low in magnesium, and magnesium helps relax muscles and supports GABA production, the brain's calming neurotransmitter. The form matters. Magnesium glycinate or magnesium threonate are usually recommended for sleep. Magnesium oxide is poorly absorbed. Sometimes your problem isn't psychological, it's biochemical. Technique 6. The red magic drink. Chamomile is popular, but the real hero here is Tart Cherry Juice. Research shows tart cherries are one of the few natural food sources of melatonin. Drinking a small glass of natural tart cherry juice about an hour before bed raises melatonin naturally and can help tryptophan become more available to the brain, meaning faster, longer sleep without sleeping pill side effects. Technique 7. Lavender aromatherapy. Smell is the most direct route to the emotional center of the brain, the amygdala. Studies show inhaling lavender before bed increases alpha brainwaves, the relaxed pre-sleep state. You don't need a diffuser. A few drops of natural lavender oil on your pillowcase is enough. Your brain learns to associate that scent with time to switch off. Technique 8. Warm milk and honey, the golden elixir. Warm milk contains tryptophan, which the body converts into serotonin and then melatonin. A small amount of honey causes a mild insulin spike that helps tryptophan enter the brain faster. The result? Natural drowsiness and deeper calm. Have a cup of warm milk with 1 teaspoon of honey about 30 to 45 minutes before bed. Simple, cheap, and often very effective. These are your advanced tools, but remember, they work best if the basics are in place. What are those basics? The 10 rules I explained in Part 1. If you haven't watched Part 1 yet, you're missing half the puzzle. Click that video now and let's close the case on insomnia for good.